Hi guys, hello, welcome to my review channel. For today, we will be reviewing a wireless Bluetooth earbuds. The model is TWS T11. So TWS stands for True Wireless Stereo, and this is a generic brand. Okay, so this functions in Bluetooth 5.0. So within a distance of 10 meters, so no obstacles, of course. Charging time will take around 2 hours to complete. If it's on standby time, it may reach up to 120 hours. Music time, 4 hours. So the type of battery it has is a lithium polymer battery. So these are the indicated parameters on the product. We haven't tested it yet to see if it really can reach 4 hours. So the features are wireless 5.0 version. It supports 3D sound or 3D surround sound. It has touch sensing, meaning the buttons you can touch to change settings. And the good news is it supports both iOS and Android devices. So for those using iPhones, if you're looking for alternatives for AirPods, you can check this out. Okay, so here are the ports. This one, I'm not sure what they use yet. This one is the USB port where you connect your charger. These are the earpod slots, the charger indicator. Then these are the prongs where the earpods connect to charge. All right, so I tested it a little bit earlier and I found out that the 3D surround sound really works. So it's very nice. The only complaint that I have so far is the package did not come with extra rubber pieces. So if the one that came for free is not your size, you may need to buy another one, something bigger or smaller, just to make sure that it doesn't come off. I very much like it so far. For its price range, it's around 500 to 700 pesos. It's not bad, really. It's worth the money. So I really like the design. It's very functional. I like these red accents, light accents around the earpiece. So we have one here, the other one here. We also have the percentage. We have the moving bars telling us it's charging. So very nice, very functional. Even if you close the lid, you close the cover, you can still see it charging. You can tell how many percentage is the remaining charge. So there you go. So overall, so far, the design, the price range, the sound quality, so far so good. What I will do is I'll go ahead and test this more. I'll do an in-depth review in a few days. So if you have any comments, suggestions, questions, please let me know on the comments below.